So here we have taken a tiny sheet and folding in this way, as you can see. Now folding on the top, making a plate like this. After this done, making more like that and making a attach. Putting together like this. After this done, you will get a crown. So just putting a pearl over the cone and it's done. And the next, here we have taken a strip, a red color sheet strip, and folding in this way, as you can see. So basically here we are trying to make a rose. So just rolling it up and rolling it up in this way and you will get this. Making more like that, and after this done, taking a sheet, basically a tissue, making a dot over it and putting the pearl over it. So it's a flower bouquet and it's ready. In the next, here we have taken a white sheet and drawing a stem, a green color stem over it, and after this done, putting the clay at stem to look it like a flower and putting this tissue around it. So it's another way of bouquet is ready. In the next, here we have taken a yellow short sheet, folding in this way, as you can see in the video, and now taking another sheet and folding in this way. And now after this done, putting the glue over it, making more like that. So here basically we are going to make a frock, and interesting frock is ready. It looks so beautiful. In the next, here we have taken a sheet. So basically we are going to make a honeybee. A cute honeybee is ready. Putting the pencil on its back, it's ready. In the next, here we have taken a short sheet and basically it's a pink, and folding it up, cutting the wrist part and folding in this way, like this, like this, like this. And after this done, you will get your star shaped structure and folding the each corner in this way. So after this done, you will get this shape, and now putting all in this way and making a small cut on the each edge of the corner. And after this done, you will get the flower is ready. In the next, here we have taken a short sheet and making a fold, making a cut on the downward side, and now it's turn to make a cut in this way, cutting out the each edges, cutting on the top. You will get this flower petal. It's amazingly done. Making more like that and putting it around the stick, so you will get a flower is ready. After this done, here we are putting the leaves and it's ready. In the next, here we have taken a white sheet, making a wing, and after this done, putting lots of color over it and you will get vibrant color in this way. Now it's time to cut it out, making a butterfly, a cute butterfly. In the next, here we have again taken a white sheet, making a branch with the brown marker, as you can see in the video. We are here using the green sheet, making a plates and cutting it up to put the leaf on the stem. In the next, here we have taken pink sheet, folding it up, making a cut like a heart shape and putting it around the stem and leaf. It's ready. In the next, here we have again taken the orange sheet, making a fold like that. In this way, you will get the wheel type shape is ready. In the next, here we have taken a sheet, making a cut in this way. And now it's time to make the each edges. A collar butterfly is ready. In the next, here we have taken a printed sheet, making a fold in this way, as you can see. Now it's turn to put the top portion into it, so you can put anything into it. So that's all. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.